Today I have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta GLI Edition 30 with nav. And what makes the GLI Edition 30 different is that up front on the grille, the bottom stripe is red and that runs into the headlights. And since this one has navigation, has the LED daytime running lights, but that's off right now because the parking brake is off. And it also has bi-xenon headlights. And then around the side of the car, you have GLI Edition 30 badges. And then the wheels, they're 18 inches, and they're similar to the Laguna wheels on the GTI, except these have a lighter finish, where on the GTI, they're more of a darker gray finish. Around back, you have your lip spoiler and polished exhaust tips. And on the inside, you have your GLI Edition 30 kick plates. And what's really cool about the Edition 30 is that you get this new style shift knob, which is the golf ball style one, which comes in the GTI Driver's Edition. And the Edition 30s also have push button start and Kessie keyless entry. And since this one is navigation, it does have the RNS 315. And also the interior trim is a little bit different. Instead of the brushed metal, we have this carbon fiber look trim. And that carbon fiber pattern extends onto the leatherette seats. And instead of red stitching, these come with red piping. And you have your normal GLI steering wheel. And pretty much everything else about this Edition 30 is the same as a normal GLI, except this one has some pretty cool touches that look nice. My favorite being this shift knob. It's a lot more comfortable. The normal GLI comes with one that's standard with the Jetta TDIs. But instead we get this GTI Driver's Edition style one. And in the back seat, we have the red piping and the carbon fiber pattern on the seat still. You also have LED taillights. That's just a quick walk around of the GLI Edition 30 with navigation.